Hi, I'm Tamra from Bargain Mansions in one of our very first home renovations that we did for HGTV, and I'm going to show you how to fix the perfect Kansas City brisket. I've got a 6-pound brisket right here that I have all of my secret sauce and seasonings that I love to do, and this is one of those things, it's kind of my family secret. I'll get you the recipe, but this is a delicious brisket. We're going to actually marinate in all of these seasonings for around 12 to up to 24 hours in the refrigerator. So once I've got it seasoned, we're gonna get it all rubbed in there, delicious, wrap it up in plastic, and then after it has marinated for overnight, we're gonna go put it on our Coyote Pellet Grill and really smoke this for a long cooking time, tender brisket, and this is going to be fantastic, yummy weekend dinner for my kids. I've marinated the brisket overnight in all of those delicious mesquite flavors. Now I've got the pellet grill preheated. I've got it at 225, and I'm just gonna baste this a little bit with some sauce. Foil it up. I've already got it double wall foiled, so it's got 2 layers of foil here, and then put one on top. And I'll come back and check on the pellets in about 4 hours, make sure it's doing good. All right. It's been about 4 hours. I just want to make sure there's plenty of seasoning on this beautiful brisket, and want to make sure that we have plenty of pellets in the hopper. Oh, this is looking amazing. Let's just put a little bit more seasoning on here. Keep that flavor soaking in for the next 4 hours. Oh, it smells so good. Seal that up nice and tight. Check on it in a little bit. All right, after 8 hours of smoking, my brisket should be almost finished. My family is really hungry. They can't wait. So let's see. All right. It's a perfect 204 degrees. We'll get this off the grill, let it rest for a half an hour. Try to keep my family's fingers off. We're all excited for dinner tonight. Our brisket has been resting for the last 30 minutes and looks incredible. My kids are hovering, but the secret to cutting a brisket is to cut against the grain. So you don't want to just cut it any which way. You want to cut it against the grain so that you get a nice line just like that. How perfect. This is not gonna last long at our house. All right, I'm gonna keep cutting this up, but hopefully you feel empowered to make your own brisket this weekend. Couldn't have been easier with my Coyote Grill.